Welcome to Around the World, a best-of-3 multiplication showdown between students in cities all across the planet. Vienna.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Yes.
5 times 4.
3.
6 times 8. 7 times 3. 4 times 6.
24.
9 times 9.
81.
Tokyo.
7 times 3. 4 times 4. 9 times 3.
81. 93. 27.
Pompeii.
4 times 4.
16.
5 times 7.
35.
Tie. 8 times 8.
34.
7 times 8.
48. 56.
9 times 3.
27.
8 times 4.
34. 32.
New York.
9 times 5.
45.
7 times 3.
18. 21.
4 times 8.
38. 32.
Ready. 7 times 6.
36. 48. 42.
Last one tiebreaker. 9 times 5.
45.
London.
7 times 3.
21.
7 times 9.
16.
Tie. 8 times 9.
22.
7 times 4.
Wait, 7 times 4? That's 28.
Cleveland.
Ready. 5 times 5.
25.
8 times 5.
40.
7 times 12.
8.
That's it for Around the World. Please join us next time for more multiplication battles.